Thank you for checking out our brand new home air purification product, the COVID KillBox. My name is Phil Eggers and I'm the founder and CEO of Euclid Design Group. We bring exciting new solutions to life. We're especially excited about our COVID KillBox because it's the only product that purifies all the air in your home, not just a single room. In fact, the CDC, Center for Disease Control, has just reported on October 20th that the main method of spreading the COVID virus is through respiratory droplets which contain the virus. In addition, the CDC recommends these 6 practices to keep you safe. Stay 6 feet apart from others, wash your hands frequently, wear a mask, clean surfaces frequently, stay home and isolate yourself, and purify the air in your home. So these are all pretty simple things to do, except how do we purify all the air in our homes? Right now you can buy a room air filtration device that does a room or two for $600, or we can clean our phones and keys with a little handheld wand for $50, or we can shine a UVC light bulb in an empty room every few hours. Now, if you have $50,000 to spend, you can get a medical grade filtration system installed in your HVAC, like hospitals and the Pentagon do. Or you can do a HEPA furnace filter, which will help with particles down to 0.3 microns, and that is small. But unfortunately, the COVID virus is only 0.125 microns, and that is ultra small, with those small particles reaching the most vulnerable areas of our lungs where they can do the most damage. There is simply no product on the market today to affordably purify all the air in your home like our COVID KillBox. And it sells for only $995 with free shipping. Let me share with you how the COVID KillBox works. The KillBox simply replaces your existing furnace return air grill that's on your ceiling or on your wall. These come off with just 4 screws and you pull it off the wall. Some of them have filters in them and some of them don't. But you pull it off and you put the COVID KillBox in its place and plug in the KillBox. You already have the expensive HVAC system in your home, so we simply use it to draw the air into the COVID KillBox unit and then circulate the purified air throughout your whole house. When your furnace or AC turns on, the COVID KillBox senses the airflow and also turns on as the air enters and passes through our pleated debris filter treated with a special coating to clean the air, then through our custom light baffle, which passes air but not harmful UVC light, and then the powerful germicidal UVC lights treat the air in the KillBox area and into your ductwork. This is a raw model of the KillBox. This is the part that sticks out to the front into the room. This is the part that goes in the wall. And this is the KillBox area that actually treats the air with the UVC light. And these screw onto the wall with holes here on the side to screw in just like you took off the other filter. So the HVAC airflow is designed to process or turn over the air in your home 6 to 8 times per hour. So you can be assured that your home's air is being purified many times each hour. Right now, it's a good idea to run your HVAC fan 24/7 if you have a COVID KillBox, so it will stay on and continuously purify the air while the pandemic is still aggressive and growing. You know, the use of germicidal ultraviolet light to purify air has been around and proven for over 100 years, but only now is it safe to use in your home, and we fully contain the harmful UV rays which otherwise would damage your eyes and skin. And germicidal UVC light kills all viruses and all bacteria known to man, so that's good. Of course, the COVID KillBox kills the COVID virus, hence the name, but it also kills other serious airborne viruses like the flu, measles, mumps, smallpox, common cold, SARS, and chickenpox. It also kills all airborne bacteria like pneumonia, strep throat, meningitis, whooping cough, diphtheria, and tuberculosis. UVC light actually inactivates these airborne particulates so they cannot reproduce and multiply, which prevents an infection. This means that even when we get this COVID virus under control with a vaccine for everyone, the COVID KillBox will still be a crucial tool to keep your family safe from so many other airborne contaminants. It kind of makes you wonder why this hasn't been done before. You might also be wondering if our COVID KillBox actually does everything I have said it does, and we wondered as well. So we had it tested by the 130-year-old premier testing laboratory, Intertech. They certified that it kills 99.99% of all virus and bacteria pathogens. The testing was also required by the government before we could offer this germicidal UVC product to the public, and it passed with flying colors. The installation is super simple, as I just showed you, and it just simply replaces your return air grill, and we replace it with the same size COVID KillBox as your furnace filter. And we carry it in most of the popular sizes. This usually takes about 5 minutes and is easily done with do-it-yourself with a screwdriver and pliers. So, if you're interested in purchasing a COVID KillBox, here is the plan. We are currently looking at filling orders in mid-January 2021, after we receive the final regulatory approvals and component shipments from our suppliers. There are 18 components to the COVID KillBox, with only one component made outside of the USA, and we manufacture each unit in our North Texas facilities. We're asking you to fill out the confidential interest form on our website so that we may contact you when we're able to fill your order, and only then will we accept your payment. Please be sure to list any at-risk family members on the interest form so we may prioritize the deliveries, as we do expect to sell out our first production run. I can summarize this video by reminding you that the CDC says the number one way to become infected with the COVID virus is by breathing airborne particles containing the virus. They also say to stay home and purify the air in your home. And there's only one product on the market to purify all the air in your home, and it is our COVID KillBox. Your home is supposed to be your safe place, right? So why not make it as safe as possible with purified air? Thank you for your interest, and please complete the form if you wish to be contacted. I wish you and your family health and safety during this unprecedented and expanding time with the pandemic. My name is Phil Eggers with Euclid Design Group, and I wish you a great day. Thank you.